guys, Jenna here with GCM at Home. Today I am in the gelato at GCM, and that's because today I'm going to show you how to make pretend ice cream. This is a recipe for ice cream Play-Doh that you can use to create your own ice cream shop sensory experience. Today's recipe is all about using our hands, mixing, making, and then feeling what we've made. You can use your hands to smash and mash and mix and make. And that's the best part of any sensory play experience. A quick note before we begin. While this ice cream we're going to make is safe to eat, it's not meant for our mouths. It's meant for our hands. So we're going to be playing with this ice cream, and I promise it's much more enjoyable to play with it than it is to eat it. It does not taste good at all. Also, how you play with your ice cream is totally up to you. You can create your own ice cream store, make different flavor names, and create fun orders for your friends and family.
Here are some materials that you'll need: a plastic disposable tablecloth, a large container and clean surface, smaller containers and/or mixing bowls, a couple of utensils, plastic or metal, 4 cups of salt, 4 colors of food dye, liquid or gel, a measuring cup, 4 cups of flour, ice cream cones, paper markers and scissors, 1 cup of white corn pan, sprinkles or toppings of your choice, 4 cups of water. Now it's time to start. Begin by mixing 1 cup of salt, 1 cup of flour, a 1/4 cup of pan, 1 cup of water, and desired amount of food dye. Mix it all together. I actually found that using your hands works better than using a mixing utensil. You want to mix it together until the consistency is of hard ice cream. If it's too soft, add a tablespoon of pan. Once you're done, it's time to set up your shop. I use some paper, a marker, scissors, to make little signs for each of my ice cream flavors. I came up with these flavors on my own, and I'm excited to see what you can come up with. Now the fun really begins. It's time to play your way. Make your ice cream cones however you like, serve them to family and friends, or smash them all up into a big mess. It's all up to you.
joining me today for this fun ice cream Play-Doh activity. I hope you enjoy making fun ice cream creations yourself in your own home. And I hope you got to smash up a few of those ice cream cones too. If you didn't, go ahead and smash them all up before you clean it up. I promise, it's super fun. I really enjoyed our time together and I hope we'll get more in the future. Have a good day, guys. Bye!